there it is. It's cranking away. I got it about half full of ice. Air coming out of there is freezing. I can feel cold air all the way over here on the couch, about 10 feet away. Thing's working awesome. It just holds so much ice. It's an 11-gallon container, so over twice as big as a 5-gallon bucket cooler, but only takes the same amount of floor space. So tall, thin design, holds a ton of ice. Thing should blow cool air for 5 to 10 hours. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, and it's running off the solar panel right there. Comes in the door, over to the clamps, up to the fan. Got a little plastic tub to catch any condensation that occurs on the outside. It's important to zip tie the fan down so it's quiet, doesn't move around. And then I just put the switch up there. You just throw the ice in, fire it up. So again, there's 3 different ways to run this. You can use the house current with a transformer, 12-volt DC battery, or 12-volt small solar panel.